push up. You want me to?
Yeah, I need to get these. Don't watch the fucking.
This is lined up on this
side. Give him the axle through there, Andy.
Give me the axle. Nope. There you go. Good.
Hammer. That's all right. It's all right. Hold it, Mo. You guys got it?
I got it.
It should go through.
Yeah.
Is it going, Mo?
It's going. Keep going. Looks good. Okay, there we go.
Should I put that right in there, didn't I?
Yeah. All right, put that on. Now, we got to slide it over to the side. I guess, did we check the rear axle yet?
Nope, none of that's been done to the rear. I don't even have back tire.
Okay. Get it out of the way. Let's get it here and then come back. Like this. And we're going to bring this over. Andy, we're going to get the, we're going to lift up the back. We're going to slide it at a 45. So I want the center of the motor right here where my hand is, because we can't have it too close to this. It's going to hit this. This has to be off. And then when we bring it, we're going to drop it off this way. Okay, so the back needs to get lifted up and slid over. Okay, that's
You
good.
guys got it all right?
I think so, we got it. Slide it over a little bit. Okay. Now, Andy, we're gonna push, you're gonna push towards me. Okay, lift up the front a little. Okay. A little bit more. Okay. Now, somebody's gonna hold this. Andy, you're gonna hold the bike.
Okay.
Because it's a little wobbly right now.
Let me get on that side to hold this.
All right, I got it. Come over here.
I don't know. I can push my body again.
You can catch it, Andy, if it falls.
Huh?
Jump it, catch it if it falls.
Yeah, if it falls over, you let it,
Grab it.
don't scratch it, just let
Grab
it crush your body.
Don't let it crush the, make sure you get underneath it.
That's right.
So it does not get any scratches on it. Underneath it. Dive under so the bike doesn't
Come down on top of me.
No,
Yeah,
so
I
it
need
comes
some action
on top
shots.
of you
Right,
and it doesn't hit the ground.
right. Now the cart don't have locking wheels.
No, it makes it more exciting.
That's the whole fun of it. That's the fucking fun.
If it was easy, anybody could do it.
Yeah.
Right.
And we don't have crash bars on it yet, so
No. So that even makes it more fun.
I don't know, the guy that wants it on the ground right now,
Yeah. Well,
he's rushing us.
he is. It's just all this has to come back apart again. Hold on. I got it down. It'll go.
Okay, I don't know in my hand.
Oh, come on, Mo.
Now, is there supposed to be a collar in between here and here?
Yes, there is. But we're leaving it out.
Oh, okay.
We don't need it.
Oh, well, that axle is,
I know, Andy. I'm just kidding
You
you.
just want so it's on the ground.
I was gonna say, there's the collar.
I'm just kidding you.
Okay.
I was playing.
I didn't know it was one of them mow ground axles.
No, it's not. That's a real one.
Okay,
All right.
so we ready, Freddie?
Yeah, no crash bars. We always pull these off with crash bars.
I know.
So,
I don't know who wanted it pulled off right
I don't
now.
know, it's no-
Okay, are you putting a little nut on there so that don't all fall off?
It won't fall off.
hold on. Lindsay, you're gonna, no, you got a camera. Hold on, gentlemen.
I can probably set
We're just going out like 2
somewhere.
feet and
Yeah,
down.
we're gonna
Can you
lift
bring
it,
all
we're gonna
this?
go out like 2 feet and put it straight down on the ground.
Yeah.
Push the cart out from under it.
Hold on, you know, we got this.
I forgot about that. Is that here?
Hold on,
Pull the fucking axle
watch
out.
that, it'll stay. Very good. Hold on. Got it there, it'll stay. Okay, so you guys, hold on, you're up, I think this, you're probably gonna be too high, you're gonna have to watch your head when it comes off. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna lift up, we're
I'm
gonna
gonna
go.
go right here now.
You're gonna back up, Andy.
Okay, right here.
Watch that thing. We're only gonna go back like 2 feet.
Oh,
So lift
watch
it up.
your head, don't let my head.
Up. 1, 2, 3, up, up. Easy.
Four men lifting this.
Watch your head. Watch your
So
head.
many. There's a joke in there somewhere.
Now you guys just hang on to it.
We got. Okay, let's straighten it out. What we're gonna.
All right, roll it where you want. It's gonna stay there for now. I mean,
All right, let's bring it up. I guess we'll bring it up here for just a moment.
Rags for that or anything?
No. What did you say?
It's the bottom.
what's the bottom?
You don't care if it's a little scratch.
Oh, right.
Okay. There we go. On the wheels.
Now let's lift it back up so I can work on it. All right.
Okay, I did pretty good, you guys.
Yeah, you did, Andy.
Did good, Andy.
Finish taking your pictures so I can get the wheel off.
I know. Hold on a second. I gotta take stills. Hold on a second.
All right.
Get some stills.
Thank you, Andy.
No problem. Couldn't have done it without me, I know.
All right, we could have.
Hey, that's a nice, contraption there.
You like that? It's
Like that?
it's the white tee gimbal.
With the bungee cord and all that shit.